Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this tutorial for you all using two of Jeffree Star's palettes, his newer palettes. Anyways, so I don't want to ramble on. I hope you guys enjoy this video and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so to begin with our eye tutorial, I'm going to take my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 01 and I'm just going to apply this to my lid. As you can see, I do have some staining from another eye look I did, but this will cover it up, so let's go ahead and prime the lid. Okay, so now that the lid is primed, I'm going to be taking the Mini Breaker palette by Jeffree Star first, and I'm going to be taking the shade Purple Punch, which is right in the center right here, and I'm going to be applying that right into this area, which you'll see in just a second. I did apply some tape just so the look won't be as messy, but I'm just going to take that Purple Punch shade and start applying that into the crease. I do have a little bit of color from the lighter purple I use on this brush because I use the same brush, but it'll work out. So I just applied it into the crease area or along the crease line or along the lid line, and I'm going to be blending that out with a Morphe brush. So like this. This color is so pretty. It's one of my favorite purples by far. It's not patchy and it's super easy to blend. I usually don't even wear purple, so I'm kind of shocked that like I've been creating looks using this color lately because I just feel like it makes me look extremely pale, but honestly it's been looking really good on my eyes lately, so yay. So next I'm going to take a little bit of Foreplay and just lighten above the crease a little bit, like that, and we're just blending that out. Okay, as soon as you feel like your crease colors are blended together, go ahead and take a cut crease brush or concealer brush. Does it even going to okay, it's focusing. Anyways, I don't even know if it focused. Okay, anyways, take a concealer brush or whatever kind of brush you use to do a cut crease, and I'm taking foundation for this, but use concealer, use the P. Louise base or whatever to cut your crease. So I'm going to start on the inner corner and just carve out my lid, as you can see I did on my left eye. So right now I'm just smoothing out that foundation, so when I apply the color it'll go on a little bit easier. Okay, for the actual color for the lid, we're going to be taking the big Jawbreaker palette, and let me open it really quick for you guys so you can know which one or which color I'll be using. Let's see, it is called Gumdrop, which is right there, that very beautiful light purple, and I'm just going to apply that where I applied my cut crease. As you can see, it blended. Actually, it did not blend, I'm sorry, it got it into my crease area, but I'll just blend it out in just a second. Like, oh, it's so pretty, guys, so pretty. So it does look a little messy right now and it doesn't look like a cut crease, but what I'm going to do, since that color did spread a little bit, I'm going to go back in with that purple shade, Purple Punch in the center, and I'm going to drag that along that line. Like that. And I'm not really worried about the line anyways because I'm going to be taking some glitter liner. As you can see, I used on my left eye and I'm just going to line that cut crease. And I'll make it pop anyways, so just don't worry. As you can see, I did blend out that cut crease a little bit, but I'm just going to line it again and then it'll look like a cut crease. So I'm going to take my... So for the glitter, I'm taking this... Fit will fuck. Okay, no, it's focusing. I'm taking this shimmer liquid liner. I've never heard of this brand before, but I use this for my cut creases. This is with the wand. The wand's not that good. It's kind of hard to apply the glitter with, and it actually literally is hard. So but anyways, I'm just going to line that cut crease, and yeah, I'm actually going to do this off camera because my hand's shaking. Okay, as you can see, I lined the crease area to make this a cut crease because I accidentally blended it into the crease color, the regular shadow. So anyways, all I'm going to do to finish this eye look is take this NYX liquid liner and I'm just going to apply this as a wing, just like this other eye, and I'm going to apply some falsies, which I will show you guys the finished look in just a second. Okay guys, so this is the finished eye look. It's super pretty. Yeah, so I just added some Tati lashes and liner like I said, but yeah, so I guess we should go ahead and move on to the face. I'm going to be doing a talk over for the face because I haven't really gotten any new products, so I'm just going to keep it simple for you all and do a talk over so it'll be quick and not boring. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this eye look so far, and yeah. Okay, so for foundation, today I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation with Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and I just mixed those together, apply those all over my face. Okay, anyways, that made no sense, but yeah. Okay, so for concealer, I'm taking my Jeffree Star concealer. I love this concealer. Very easy to blend. Definitely would recommend buying it. For contour, I'm taking the usual palette I use. I actually switched between this one and the Tarte one, but this is a Morphe one, and I use it a lot. So, for bronzer, I'm taking this bronzer by NARS to warm up my face a little bit. The contour is a little warm for my face, but like I like my bronzer and contour like, you know, like very warming on my skin because I like that's my favorite part of my routine. It just warms up my like foundation, and I don't know, it just makes me look tan. So I enjoy bronzer. I've said that 15 times. For blush, I'm taking the Milani Baked Blush. I would definitely try these. These are so good. Drugstore blushes if you don't want to do a high-end blush. So yeah. For highlight, we're taking MAC Soft and Gentle. I use this in a lot of my pictures on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram. Chloe Canada Makeup. You won't regret it. Yeah. Okay guys, so that was all for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.